Good morning, viewers. I am top astrologer M. Rajasekaran. In this prediction video, I would like to tell you about the Indian stock market behavior during September 2021. Disclaimer: out of 10 predictions made, I am getting 7 to 8 predictions correct. Viewers are requested to make a note of this point. The views expressed in this channel should not be taken as a share trading advice. Previous prediction check. On 18/5/2021, I have predicted that I don't expect the market to fall after 16/6/2021. On 18/5/2021, Nifty was 15,108 points. Also on 10/6/2021, I have predicted that these were the last few days when you get the stocks and the indices at this level. On 10/6/2021, Nifty was 15,737. Now you can see both these predictions had come true. Now let us see the projection. It's about Nifty's behavior during September 2021. For Bank Nifty, I have already given my prediction. It's in a separate video. Nifty all-time high on 26/8/2021 at 16,636 points. Now, in a logical sense, everybody would expect Nifty to consolidate at this level or even Nifty to go down. But I have a different view. In September 2021, I expect Nifty to trade around in the zone of 17,000 to 17,500 points. This is a level most of the time. The bull run was supposed to accelerate from 16/6/2021, but the 3 days fall off market caused by the bad news about Adani Group had delayed the bull run. According to my calculation, the effect of those 3 days was over with 17/8/2021. Nifty may climb up faster in an unexpected manner. That is why in my paper trade, I had purchased Nifty on 24/8/2021. I expect Nifty to cross 17,000 points in the first week of September itself. You can see my revised prediction in the next slide. You see here, I have earlier predicted a 15,900 target around 17/9/2021. Now, now I am revising it that the 15,900 plus is correct. The thing is, I am increasing the numbers. I expect Nifty to revolve around 17,400 points, around this 17/9/2021. Also, the December 2021 projection, I am increasing as 19,000 plus. Earlier, I have predicted 18,000 plus. Now, I am increasing it by 1,000 points. I have increased the projection point numbers because I have already said that when RIL, which is Reliance Industries, and HDFC Bank shares were rising, I will increase the December 2021 projection of 18,000 points. In the recent past, I can see both RIL and HDFC Bank are doing well. If the same trend continued in Reliance and HDFC Bank, then we can expect Nifty to reach 20,000 points in December 2021. With this prediction, I am not saying that Nifty will not fall. Viewers are asked to take a note of this point. Nifty may fall, but it cannot be kept low for a long time. Always we have to keep a fail safe for unexpected occurrences in stock market. That will be the better thing to trade. Thank you.